When it comes to choosing the right book, the first step is understanding why you're reading. Are you looking to escape into another world? To learn a new skill? Or maybe to find inspiration or personal growth? Every book serves a purpose, and knowing yours is like setting the compass before your journey. Think about the moments in your life where a book has had an impact. Maybe it taught you something profound, or it simply entertained you during a difficult time. Now, imagine having a curated list of books tailored to your needs and desires. How much more fulfilling would your reading experience be? That's exactly what we're here for at The Essential Reader. This channel is all about helping you navigate the vast sea of books to find the ones that truly matter to you. If that sounds like a journey you want to be part of, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Let's dive into the world of books and find the stories and ideas that will resonate with you the most. Once you understand your purpose for reading, the next step is identifying your interests. This is where you get to explore what excites you, challenges you, or sparks your curiosity. Are you drawn to gripping thrillers, heartwarming memoirs, thought-provoking nonfiction, or classic literature that has stood the test of time? Your interests are like a map. They guide you to books that will keep you engaged and coming back for more. But here's the thing, your interests can evolve. Maybe you've always read fantasy, but now want to try historical fiction, or perhaps a self-help book is calling your name. The key is to remain open and curious. Every book is a door to a new world, and part of the joy of reading is discovering what resonates with you today. At The Essential Reader, we're here to make that process easier. With recommendations and insights tailored to a wide range of interests, you'll never run out of ideas for your next great read. If this resonates with you, take a second to like this video and subscribe. Together, we'll keep expanding your reading horizons. Now that you know your purpose and interests, it's time to evaluate whether a book is the right fit for you. This step is all about getting the most out of your reading experience. Start by reading the book's synopsis. Does it grab your attention? Check the reviews, but remember, one person's treasure can be another's forgettable read. Look for insights on the writing style, pacing, and overall impact. Another great strategy is to skim the first few pages or even a random passage. Does the tone match your expectations? Is the language engaging? A quick preview can tell you a lot about whether the book is worth your time. And let's not forget the emotional connection. Sometimes a book just feels right. Maybe it aligns with a mood or a phase in your life. Trust your instincts and don't overthink it. Reading is a personal journey, after all. At The Essential Reader, we help you take the guesswork out of choosing books. With reviews, summaries, and curated recommendations, finding your next read has never been easier. If you're finding this guide helpful, show your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's make every book you pick up a perfect match. Once you've mastered the art of choosing the right book, it's time to think long-term, building your personal library. This isn't just about owning books. It's about creating a collection that reflects who you are, where you've been, and where you want to go. Your library is a map of your intellectual and emotional journey, a tangible reminder of the ideas and stories that have shaped you. Start with a balance. Mix classics with contemporary works, fiction with nonfiction, and light reads with deeper, more challenging texts. As you read, don't be afraid to let go of books that no longer resonate with you. Curate intentionally, so every title on your shelf feels like a part of your story. Remember, your library isn't just for you. It's for the future. One day, someone else might pick up a book from your collection and be inspired just like you were. That's the enduring power of reading. It connects us across time and space. And if you want help curating your library or discovering books you'll love, The Essential Reader is here for you. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and join a community of passionate readers. Together, we'll explore the world of books and build collections that inspire generations to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.